And this is Ahmad Aman, and this is my friend.
I am Muhammad Faizaidan.
Nice to meet you. Long time no see, ya.
Yeah. We have many questions for you about this campus or this your job in here. First, how do you approach teaching to ensure student stay engagement?
I'm sorry, can you explain again?
How do you approach teaching to ensure student stay
Stay
engaged?
in, engage. Okay. First of all, how about that? First of all, I have to make sure my student first comfort me first.
Yes.
First for me, comfort with me first, and then I don't know. I'm typically of traditional lecture because I teach with PPT, journal or something. Then after that, because I'm teaching, but in I don't know when I'm teaching material. I can use the movie analytic and maybe readiness everything. So I just want to make our presentation, I don't know, more comfortable, not to be the theoretical. Maybe I explain with experience, a phenomenon about us, and look at everything about us. I don't know, situation, condition can make the, I don't know, plus new value about the material of presentation.
It's very interesting for me.
Yes.
And then question from me, the first is, what subject do you teach?
Okay, the subject about teaching this semester, I have in three subjects material. First of all, sociology communication, then strategic communication, and then community communication. Semester 2, 3, and 4. I don't know, Reg A, Reg B, plus CS, and plus CK. All about that Reg I have been teaching.
All regular.
And regulars, all for the regulars.
It's very tiring.
Very tiring. From morning until night. From Sunday to be, I don't know, Sunday, give to Sunday, like that. 6 times.
Yeah. Yes. Next, student learning style in recent years.
And so,
Student learning style in recent years.
student in here.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I explained before. I don't know. This is a very, I don't know, differential and maybe colorful. I think very colorful. I don't know, typically or more colorful personality. Maybe in student here, I think very exciting, very electricity, very more analytic, very critical, and then I am very excited about their have good energy to accept my material presentation, just like that. All of our class, yeah. I have 14 class with 3 subject, just like that. You can imagine about that.
Okay.
Nah,
And the next question is, how long have you been teaching?
Okay, good question. If you tell me about year have been teaching, maybe until 5 years.
5 years.
Before in Unpam in 13 weeks, I have been to be lectured in Semarang maybe 2 years until 2.5.
Yes.
And then I have to be assistant lecturer in Jakarta, maybe 1.5. Then in here in Unpam in 13 weeks, maybe almost 5 years. 4 maybe 5 years.
See. Next question. Can you tell me about any new or innovation program introduced in your department?
Okay, in my department, I don't know. In Unpam, I don't. Maybe I'm not specially to be, I don't know, regular class, yeah, but I'm structural class, structural lecture too, because I have been to be promoted in here to be, I don't know, we call them SGMGF, Satuan Gugus Monitoring Faculty.
Oh.
Maybe in bureaucrat we call them like inspectorate. Jadi I'm watching the work and work about the lecture. So I'm watching and to be value and I can be recommended to Arjun, Pak Dekan, about work and capacity of every lecture in here, just like that. More dangerous position.
And then, Mr. Why did you choose to become a lecturer?
I don't know. This is not my destiny.
Yes,
This is my destiny because I want to be the professional worker, just like that. Mr. Walker, to be the nice father, to be the nice husband, just like that. Because the destiny of God make me the lecturer in here. Maybe I'm approved.
Yeah.
I'm very well. So I don't think about it, or just I want to be, I don't feel easygoing about this opportunity like that. When I have imagined before this.
Just like this.
This.
Next, how does the university ensure the curriculum style relevant to industry needs?
Oh wow, that's a good question. I think Unpam have a bill regulation about the material or something, not to be the industrial need worker.
Yes.
Because we have three category or concentrate about the communication science. We have broadcasting. You can be practically or maybe to be the professional worker in television. Maybe to be announcer, camera person, audio man, director, producer, everything. We have journalists. You can to be the journalist, to be editor, to be scriptwriter, and all about job. And then we have corporate communication. Then you have to be public relation. You can to be public speaker, and to be a good organizer. You need to be the good consultant and everything. Because I think the three concentrate make you to be successful. Anything. I don't know, job worker or maybe the needing of industry or just like that.
And then, what is your favorite topic to teach?
How about favorite? Maybe think comfortability. Because my background capability of register of politics, media, and social, maybe all three of them. But in the field, I can adaptation it about anything subject. Maybe about statistics, maybe about anthropology. I don't know about literature and everything. So I adapted about anything subject and they give it to me.
It's like next for me, what is your experience like working with students at this university?
Experience with study, maybe before we call Indonesian language we call pengabdian pada masyarakat, and then we have to research too. We collaborate with the student. The student. Maybe not particularly the student they have the good analytic, to be good critical. We go together to do people, search the problem with analytic, we make the problem solving and everything. So we have a good experience, we have good chemistry, we have a good resulting. Then now we want rating to be journal, just like that.
And then, do you enjoy your time when you're teaching student?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Maybe I'm enjoyable if my student enjoyable too. I don't know. Maybe there's a good chemistry, or I don't know. to be, I don't know, maybe suggestion or something. If my student enjoys phone, then I'm a very enjoyable. But if my student more quietly to burn like a zombie or something, I'm just like a tired. I don't want to be continue or something because I'm tired. I don't know when maybe we call me in bahasa jengah, capek, something like that. But if the class more accepted me more cleverly, more I don't know, electricity, so I might be just like that.
It's a very relevant weekend, yes, about this jengah, capek.
Yes, we have the, I don't know, maybe some to be people, we have to top performance and maybe ground. So maybe, I don't know, about situation, maybe health condition, maybe, I don't know, problem, something beside me, behind me, or anything like that. Maybe the situation we get up to top performance or the down performance.
Yes. Everyone has berbeda-beda.
Yeah, the different thing about how the condition and the problem solving.
Second question, how would you describe the student culture on this campus?
Okay, the student culture in campus that have seen before, the student in Unpam more electricity, more confidently. I don't know, maybe some energeticful,
Yes.
some powerful, humbleful. Because I know the phenomenon in this class. They shake my hand.
Yes.
And so we each speak each other. Maybe not in class, maybe after night. At 10, 11, 12 p.m. they have been message me. Sir, do you have time? I want to share about this. Maybe about her girlfriend, about him. I don't know, personality life. Yeah. Just like older brother, I'm to be try to answer to be comfortable them. Just like that.
And then, what do you expect from your student in class?
Oh, expectation about my class. First of all, I want to be my student first to be independent person. How to be they have a good person, be to be professional, make have a good attitude and more friendly. They have a good, I don't know, God's value. We call them the rohanian value, the spiritual value is just like that. Because we don't blind our eyes, we don't close your ears. This is modernization, maybe the attitude to be modernization, but you have been to be adopt how about the traditional way, the traditional culture in your family, in your community before. Because in culture in working profession, first they have to do first of all attitude. First the attitude, and then maybe the academic value, and then third if it's spiritual value, and the fourth is the independency. More independency, more professional, everything. That's the 4 point they have been my student. I hope fruitful in heaven too in their life, just like that.
It's very, very, very interesting.
Yeah, maybe I'm Albert Olga, so my stereotype is Olga.
Next, what kind of research support does the university provide to faculty and student? Research.
A lot of research we need some research faculty and program study. I don't know, maybe about research maybe in corporate communication, broadcasting, and then I don't know, journalists. But I think not so far. Maybe between us, I don't know. Maybe about relationship with you and girlfriend. Maybe relationship for I don't know LDR, long distance
Relationship.
Maybe for your hobbies. Maybe watch cartoon, watch manga, everything. These are very very potential material to be researched in communication communication science like that. Not so far about politics, how to about president, how about Jokowi. No, this is not about that. Especially for nearly about us, about your life, about your I don't know, prestige, about your studying and everything. So nearly about your life situation. Any question?
And then how do you prepare your lectures?
Oh, prepare for my lecture. Wow. So I'm prepare my lecture maybe for this experience for 5 years.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I can be in a long term to be a lecturer, or I'm back to be professional worker. I'm back to be on my destiny. It's like that. If my family want to continue to be a lecturer, maybe I continue. But even not, I must choose another job maybe. But I hope I'm to be a long term to be lecturer because I don't know, I'm more comfortable in here. I like situation in here. I more like ecosystem in here, and mostly and more especially I like enthusiasm in people in here. Just like that. I hope it's like that.
It's the interview is very very interesting for me and
Thank you.
for my friend.
Interest.
Maybe the last question for you, Mr. Insan. Are you happy with all this?
Yeah, maybe I'm very happy. Maybe in capacity 1 to 10, maybe I call get well now. Because 1 point I give it to God, 1 family, just like that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you for the time. Thank you for the question. I hope you have very enjoyable content. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you. Bye.